back home, and I think I left off at being in the hospital and being in pre-op. And I got done with that, and it was a pretty miserable ride from then on. So they said it takes 7 to 10 days for the injection to work. I guess it has to get in there, and it reduces the inflammation of the disc. So anyway, long story short, I have a herniated disc between L4 and L5, and the herniation of the disc is pressing a whole lot on the spinal nerve, what is it? The sciatic nerve, pressing on that really big time. So I'll recuperate here at holidays. I think I was in the hospital 5-6 days. I don't remember. So do some recuperation here at home, give that injection time to work, and then I'll go to physical therapy in Merced for I don't know how long. So we'll see. I'm hurting a lot. Taking lots of meds to help with the inflammation and the pain. Right now I need some coffee. Whew, made it to the kitchen. I decided to call my walker Mr. Walker. You've heard of the song Me and Mrs. Jones? I've changed it. It's Me and Mr. Walker. I don't know if I'm doing better or not. Right now I kind of feel like it's about the same. I still have what feels like ice shards, like shards of glass, but it's ice. Going up and down my right leg. And then I have real bad muscle spasms. But I'm getting better. Positive attitude, right? Yeah, I'm moving pretty slow. I'm back home and it feels good. I'm on a whole lot more medicine than I was before, though. Which is weird for me because I don't take any medicine at all for any ailment or what, like, because everybody kept asking me in the hospital, you have diabetes, you have high blood pressure, and no, none of that. Do you take any medications? No. I mean, they kept looking at me like, wait a minute, you're 62 years old and you don't take any medicine for anything? No, I don't have anything. Knock on wood. Anyway, it was just kind of entertaining to me that almost everybody thought that I should be taking some kind of medicine. I don't. My sister gave me a weighted blanket. It is really nice. And they're a lot heavier than I thought they'd be. A lot heavier. But it's really warm, and if I could get up and go get it, I'll show you here. It's right there. Let me zoom in on it. It's that one right there that's all wadded up. It's real fuzzy and comfortable, and I like it. It helps a lot. I don't know what I don't understand it, how something really heavy could make you feel better, but it does. So thank you for the blankie, Shay. I've contacted physical therapy. I'm supposed to go there and start working on strengthening the muscles in my back so that the herniation can go down and it'll quit pressing on the sciatic nerve. Not looking forward to physical therapy. The only good thing about the place I picked is they have a pool that you do exercises in the pool, which is kind of nice. I think the resistance from the water, it just sounded like a place I wanted to go, okay? I'm going to drink my coffee and probably take a hot shower and just lay around and be lazy all day because I can't do anything else. I got tons to do. I got stuff to put in my RV, my trail manor that I can't put in there. And there's a TV and there's a couple of baskets and stuff I want to get in there. I've got work that I want to do on the bed bug, which is the quick camp motorcycle trailer that I bought to go behind my bug. I've got stuff, I've just got all kinds of stuff to do, and all I can do is sit here and think about the stuff I've got to do. Anyway, I'm going to get going and get my shower. Talk to you later. Bye. And again, thank you so much for following along. To me it seems boring, but maybe somebody's getting something out of it that'll help them if they're going through the same thing. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Bye. Go do your thing. I'm gonna do mine. See you later. Bye. Video's over.